How can a school coordinator or head of school monitor and ensure the efficient use of SchoolPad?
Naman sir, the best and fastest way to monitor the usage of SchoolPad by staff members is through the dashboards available on the web version. Let me quickly guide you through each of them. First one is Admission Dashboard. This dashboard helps you keep track of total inquiries, registrations, admissions, and withdrawals in the school. You can view class-wise admissions with graphs, compare online vs offline admissions, and see gender-wise enrollment and session comparisons to last year. Attendance Dashboard. It allows you to track class-wise attendance and leaves, along with teachers who have not marked attendance or approved leaves for the day. It also provides a list of students who have been absent for 3 or more consecutive days. Fee Collections Dashboard. This dashboard helps you monitor fee payments coming into the school, along with a breakdown of amounts according to fee categories and the payment methods used. Employee Dashboard. It helps you keep track of staff members, including new hires and those who have left. It provides the count of employees by department and designation, along with their leaves and attendance records. Library Dashboard. This dashboard helps you monitor the books in the library, unique titles, and the frequency of issues and returns for both staff members and students. Communication Dashboard. It gives an overview of all circulars, event updates, photo galleries, polls, etc. being shared with parents on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, including who is sending what. Resource Planner Report. This separate dashboard provides a weekly view of all resources shared throughout the week. It helps ensure that teachers are sending academic resources as planned, and you can click and view any academic resource to check its content. By utilizing these dashboards, coordinators and heads of schools can efficiently monitor and ensure the effective use of SchoolPad, as all the data populated in these dashboards comes from the information entered by staff members across all departments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.